brush I sell to a customer and I leave at their property, so you're never at a time when you don't have it on you. It's just always at the property. Put some tile cleaner on the brush, and then what I do is I dip it in the water and I brush part of the wall, and then I'll have to re-dip it in water and brush part of the wall, and then I do that a couple times on all the tile, and then so what I do is I put about 2 ounces of acid in here, and then I fill it with water, and then I could spray it just on the areas that I need to hit the calcium. I spray it on, and then I'll come back and I'll rinse it all off. This one just has a couple spots where it gets calcium where it's bleeding through, so you always got to be working on this thing. So I do this every week. I scrub it and I spray it down. The pool usually cleans itself. It's not a hard pool to do, and the hot tub cleans itself. So essentially this is where most of your time is anyways. This and LSI. So I'll use about the whole bottle, because I usually have to drop the pH on this hot tub anyways.